Right, and so today I'm going to be taking an overview of this Smeg WDI 12C washer dryer. So, you've got the door release button, obviously press that and the door opens. You've got your dial, all your programs on it. Not reading them out, you can just see them like that. You've got your LEDs and your buttons. I'll just switch it on so you can see what they do. Takes a little while to come on. So that one's your on off start pause button, not pressing that otherwise it'll go. This is your quick button, so you press that and your time goes down, which you'll see in a minute. There you go. Got your extra rinse button, I'm guessing that is. Your tumble dry button, so obviously press that and you can put how many minutes you want it to dry for. Also your spin speed button, so you can change the spin speed. Then you've got the soap bar drawer, and obviously inside a white towel in there. There's the door. And now I'm going to move on to the dishwasher, which is here. So the dishwasher is basically just an on-off button, and then the options, programs. Obviously your program selector, a detergent dispenser, and then obviously inside there's not much to it. So